Hello and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to see answers on Google Forms. To start, open the Google form that you are willing to answer. Once on the Google form, right-click on any blank page in the form. Then, click on Inspect. And then in here, over at Inspect, you will see some codes written for the form. Now click on the leftmost box on the upper left corner. And then in here, hover your mouse to the question. And then look at the codes once again. If it says true, that means that is the correct answer. As you can see, every time you hover, there should be some codes written on the right corner. Now what you're looking for here is the value called true. So every time you hover your mouse over a multiple answer or a multiple choice, it should always say true, and that means that is the correct answer. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.